Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga, Incorporated. La Consolacion College of Iriga, San Francisco, Iriga City. CAD mixed company with majorettes. School head, Sister Josie T. Tangkag, OSA. Principal, Miss Jocelyn L. Malinaw. Corps and Staff, Cadet Colonel Christopher Velasco. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jerome Talagit, Corps XO S3. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel A. Añedo Amido. S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maria Angelica Ibarreta, S2, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Kate Antonia Medina, S4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Sean Felix Bailon, S5, Major Leader Francesca Steph Canyeba, Band Leader Sean Carvey Villeca, Company Commander Cadet Captain Rez Marion Fidelino, Company XO, Cadet Captain Yons Christine Joyce Berinya, First Platoon Leader Boys Cadet First Lieutenant Bien Luis Deme Rodriguez, Second Platoon Leader Girls Cadet First Lieutenant Margaret Ishana Malitaan, CAT Facilitator Mr. Abiel Raymond Ramos, Band Coordinator Mr. Chapet Briones, Major Trainer Mr. Larry Taduran, Band Master Trainer Mr. Arlie S. Galvez, Color Guard Instructor Mr. Rafael Pakagan. Entry number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga, Incorporated, San Francisco, Iriga City. Number 1, La Consolacion College of Iriga, Incorporated. Next entry number 2.